That is beautiful. That's a golf course. That's where I'd be heading. Well, I told y'all I had something big coming, and here she is. 4th generation Dodge Ram 3500, fully loaded, if you cannot tell. That's a big tip right there, super big tip. 37-inch tires, 13.5 by 22-inch TIS off-road wheels. Love them, hands down. I think my favorite TIS wheel. I don't know what the color of this truck is, but I love it because it's got like 3 different tones to it. It's got a nice shimmer, tinted windows, got the rear vent guards for the rear windows, got to get front ones for the 2 front windows. Badges have been blacked out. Everything is stock. It's got a BDS suspension lift on it, 2.0 Fox shocks racing. This thing handles well off-road and on-road. I haven't really went off-road with it yet, but it's coming. Custom grille, super bright LED light. Man, this thing is immaculate, and I love it. I love it. Take you guys around the truck. Hope my neighbors don't mind. This Saturday football, I washed it earlier. I've waxed it. It needs a paint correction as well as a ceramic coat. Bed cover. It does have a bed liner on the inside. Show you guys a little bit interior. Full leather. Excuse my polos. Full leather interior. Heated rear seats. Sunroof. 9-system audio. Wood grain interior. This is the Dodge Laramie. So fully loaded. Got the front with the console. Got the Husky liners matte protecting the original. It's not too dirty. It could use a small little vacuum there, but man, this is my truck. I've been blessed and happy to get this truck, and oh man, I just don't know what to say. So cup holders in the doors, not like you guys care about that, but I think it's pretty nice. These come out, you can put other items there if you wanted to. It's got the 6.7 liter turbo turbocharged motor. Oh, let me show you guys. I am about speed, so it does come equipped with the Bully Dog GT gauge tuner. I have a little bit over 70,000 miles on the motor. Man, this thing is ready. I told you guys I had something big coming to the channel, and here it is. So I hope you guys like it. Got some adventures coming soon, and I really don't know what else to say other than I'm going to enjoy this truck. Just take a moment and sit back and look at the hard work that I done put in today. So those of you who are wondering, I still got the cleanest daily driven, but it ain't daily driven no more. She ain't been ran in like 3 months. As you can see, she's still on jacks. I got my new wheels on. I still don't have all of my parts yet. I'm going to get it back together, but it's the winter time in most areas. But I still got my girl. She ain't going nowhere, okay? So don't even think she's going anywhere. She ain't going nowhere. Now I gotta wipe the fingerprints off that I just put on it. But this girl right here, ooh-wee, she is fun to drive. Super fun to drive. Hey, and check this out. She has just as much horsepower, if not more, than she does, because she's sitting right at a little bit over 500 to the rear tires. She has just about the same amount of horsepower to the rear tires, okay? So, and on top of that, she's getting about 19 to 21 city, and about I don't remember what she's getting the highway, but great on gas. Great on gas. And if you can't tell, that's a diesel. All right, I've been wanting a diesel truck for I don't know how long. I really wanted that Volkswagen diesel car for a long time, but I needed to get back in the truck again. So there she is. Wrigley, welcome to the family. She was in the garage earlier talking to my girl Carmen. Carmen was telling her about me, how I was, and was letting her know that she's gonna be taken care of. And if you know, I really take care of my vehicles just like I take care of my family, and I do my best to take care of myself. So appreciate you guys checking out this video. Stay tuned. We got some fun adventures coming. I promise you, we have some fun adventures coming. And I'm gonna see if I can get a couple of the homies, see if I can reach out to Stan. You guys go check out Stan's YouTube channel. I will put the link in this video. And also one of my homies from Instagram, Hostile 1LE, has like 1,000+ horsepower Camaro SS 1LE. It's yellow, it's hot. I'm gonna see if I can get them to come all the way out here, and we want to do some work in that motor, all right, during the winter time. So you guys stay tuned. I promise you 2020 and the rest of 2019 is going to be a dream. This is Mr. Lee, Wild and Free. Appreciate you guys watching this video. I hope I get that thumbs up from you guys for all the people that have watched this channel, or for all the people that have watched this video and this channel for the first time. Please subscribe. All right, more to come. Stay tuned. Peace.